Well, now the new fat-fighting technology Adelaide uses is swearing by. It's painless and non-invasive and can do the job within weeks. But does it sound too good to be true? Paul Macon finds out.
Wow, I can visibly see results on my own body.
Just about anyone can have this treatment.
This newer method, there's less downtime.
It's called SculpSure, and after dissolving fat around the world...
So I'm going to tighten the straps now so we can have the skin pillow, and this is going to be your treatment area.
It's our turn.
I think Adelaide is well overdue for this treatment.
Skin specialist Dr. Chris Koulos and his wife Claire now have the cutting-edge laser technology at their Burnside clinic.
The traditional methods of removing fat involve procedures such as liposuction. Now, liposuction, while being effective, is an invasive procedure. There are risks associated with the surgery. It's very expensive. That's lots of downtime. SculpSure is very different to that. It gives you a non-surgical way of permanently removing fat.
SculpSure targets the fat cells just under the skin.
And it heats them up to the point where the membrane of the fat cells breaks apart and the fat cells die. And then your body's system eliminates those dead fat cells permanently over the next 6 to 12 weeks.
And here's the claim.
You can lose up to 24% of fat volume after one treatment.
While Adelaide Miss Universe entrant Jelena Todorovic looks perfect as she is.
It's a very competitive pageant, and anything that will give me an edge. I have little stubborn pockets of fat on my hips.
Jelena's having some treatment to her flanks.
But does it hurt?
It's just like a mild tingling sensation, like mild pinches.
Freelance writer and beauty blogger Aimée Wice is another who is flying the flag for SculpSure.
There's always those little bits that you can just grab onto that are really resistant to exercise and diet.
One treatment costs between $300 and $1,200. Aimée reckons her results came within 6 weeks.
I'm thrilled with the results. I was taken aback at how impressive the results were. You know, any little trouble spot that you just need that little extra push and tweak.
Liposuction has been around for ages, but it's not for everybody.
It's a really expensive procedure that has quite a lengthy recovery time as well, so it wasn't something I was really considering.
Leading cosmetic surgeon Dr. Mario Marzola performs liposculpture at his Norwood surgery. His thoughts on the new procedure?
It is a gentle removal of fat and not a bulk removal. So if people come in expecting to lose 2 or 3 litres of fat, they'll be disappointed.
But far from knocking this new technology's arrival in town, Dr. Marzola supports it.
Some people would choose not to have surgery, and I understand that. And this is one of the modalities they can choose, which will gradually reduce their fat deposits.
Overseas reports suggest SculpSure is here to stay.
The laser actually destroys the fat. It is permanently removed.
Those results and the positive reviews overseas mirror the results that we're seeing here in our clinic.
This adds to the choices, so it's welcome.